This is the information of the primary source in document 3. Napoleon was a master propagator. No, he wasn't just a good general, he was an effective communicator. He knew how to make people feel powerful and how to rally them into great things. That was one of the secrets of Napoleon's great victories as a general, was his ability to inspire his army to do more than what they could believe in. So you read this, take a look at, read this source together, and what's Napoleon saying here? How is Napoleon gaining the support of troops? Now this is in 1796. It's before the coup d'état when he takes direct control over France. It's before he proclaims himself emperor. Soldiers, you are naked and ill-fed. Government owes you so much and can give you nothing. The patience and courage you have shown in the midst of these rocks is admirable, but they gain you no renown, no glory results to you or from your endurance. It is my design to lead you into the most fertile plains of the world. Rich provinces and great cities will be your power. There you will find honor, glory, and wealth. Soldiers of Italy, you'll be wanting in courage or perseverance. So again, this is again Napoleon addressing army and getting them ready for the attack of Italy. Napoleon was really good at converting his enemies into friends. Napoleon attempted to show that his revolutionary attitude was a lot more powerful than the state was. So eventually, Napoleon becomes in many ways a Louis XIV, but who doesn't get his legitimacy as eventually as emperor from heredity from God, but he gets it from the popular imagination of the people that he stirs. And that's why we'll see France and in Europe at large is going to be rallying more and more towards nationalism as a way of rallying people to the country, less on a sense that, this is the way it always is, and this is a king that was given to us by God, but that we're emotionally attached to the state and that the state becomes like our super family of owner that we own and that we become very much attached to like our own parents. That idea of nationalism, which we know today, national pride, is really began to race. And Napoleon sees this force and was great at manipulating it in the early 19th century.